We are from Aravalli Bachao Citizens Movement, and right now we are standing right in front of the Bandhwari Landfill that receives the mixed waste from Gurgaon and Faridabad. It has well over 33 lakh ton plus waste lying here, and this landfill stands right in the middle of the forest. Because of the negligence of the authorities, every time it rains, the toxic leachate is allowed to flow into the surrounding Aravalli forest. In January this year, we collected a sample from a pool of leachate formed in the forest adjoining the landfill. And we also came to know that the solid waste from the Bandhwari landfill was being dumped in the mining quarries and protected forest areas of Aravallis of Gurgaon and Faridabad. Aravalli Bachao Citizens Movement decided to get both the solid waste and the leachate samples tested. The lab team of the Center for Science and Environment came down on the 14th of January 2022 to pick up the samples.
So the solid waste near the Bandhwari site that we sampled, we found that it is containing a lot of high concentration of toxic metals, and also the microbial population, the pathogenicity was high, including the concentration of fecal coliform and as well as E. coli. Most importantly, the toxic metals which were found in the solid waste are extremely hazardous for the health of entire ecosystem in Aravallis. Because the toxic metal, it has an inherent property to get bioaccumulated in the plants as well as in animals. So whatever is dumped over there, it is going to get into the ecosystem, it is going to get into the food chain. The level of pollutants that we found in leachate, which was sampled near the Bandhwari dump site, was 100 times more polluting than the urban wastewaters. So this is very hazardous for the health of Aravallis, an eco-sensitive region like Aravalli is, because this biochemical oxygen demand implies that it has huge organic contamination as well as pathogenicity. So this water, when ultimately reach to the groundwater, it will contaminate the groundwater, make it unfit for drinking, and also the surface water bodies.
अब जहाँ पे हम खड़े हैं, यहाँ पे ये काफ़ी बड़ा पॉन्ड बन जाता है, बारिश में लंबे टाइम तक चलता है। अगर इस सीज़न में भी अभी तक भी इसमें लीचेट बचा हुआ है। और यहाँ पे अगर आप देखो ना, ये देखो यहाँ पे ये किसी कार्निवोर का स्केट है, इसमें हड्डियों का क्रस्ट जो है चूरा भी है यहाँ पे। और इस सीज़न में वैसे भी तकरीबन जो है पानी वानी की समस्या हो ही जाती है जानवरों को, और आहिस्ता आहिस्ता वो इसी को पी रहे हैं, मर रहे हैं फिर। और यहाँ पे डंप जनवरी के दौरान जो है इन्होंने डलवाया था, जो खासकर पुरानी जो माइनिंग क्वेरीज हैं और उनके ऊपर जो रियल एस्टेट लॉबी ने इंक्रोचमेंट किया हुआ है, उनको लेवल अप करने के लिए इतनी मिट्टी तो कहाँ से आएगी। तो डंप एक बहुत अच्छा ऑप्शन है। इसका इम्पैक्ट जो है वो एक लॉन्ग टर्म पड़ेगा, क्योंकि ये जो माइनिंग क्वेरीज हैं ये एक तरह से इस एनसीआर का जो ग्राउंड वाटर की जो एक तरह से ना नस इनको बोल सकते हैं, जहाँ से कि पानी रिचार्ज होता है, और उन नसों में ये लोग जो है कचरा पहले भर के छोड़ देंगे।
Today is 17th May 2022 and I am standing at the site from where the Center for Science and Environment picked up samples of solid waste in mid-January. So it's been 4 months and the authorities have done nothing to pick up this toxic waste that is lying all across Aravallis of Gurgaon and Faridabad, and sadly it continues to contaminate the critical water recharge zone of India's national capital region.
A dump site which is having such toxic substances should not be there in an eco-sensitive zone like Aravallis at all. The solution is in a lot of things that citizens in Gurgaon and Faridabad are already doing. There are many colonies which are already segregating their waste at source and treating the biodegradable waste and making compost and making gardens, and the non-biodegradable is given to various recyclers, and even the domestic hazardous waste is separated. Only that may be given to the municipalities. The proper secured landfill site may be created for the kind of limited solid waste which are non-compostable, non-recyclable